In today's video, let me show you how to fix Uber GPS issue. Now, if you're having issues with your location or your GPS for the Uber application, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. The first thing that you need to ensure is that the permission is enabled. The location permission is enabled for the Uber app. To ensure that, you can simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to permissions, and make sure that the location option is selected to allow. As you can see, you can simply tap on the location option and make sure that it says allow, and also make sure that the use precise location is enabled. This ensures that the Uber application has your exact location. Now, once you enable this and you're still having issues with it, it's likely is due to a glitch. So what you can do in this case is, first of all, try to turn on and turn off the location option on your device. So if it is turned on currently, you can try to toggle it off or turn it off first of all, and then again turn it on within a few seconds. If this step also does not work for you, then what you can then try out is try to reinstall the application of Uber on your device. So make sure you uninstall it first of all and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should also be fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.